Step 1. Register as a merchant at the link provided. Step 2. Fill in the required details. If you have an invitation code, you can enter it on the merchant registration page to receive special privileges or discounts. Step 3. Check your email and click to confirm your email address. Step 4. You will then receive a temporary password via email to use for logging in. Step 5. Log in to your merchant account at the link provided using your registered email and the temporary password received via email. Step 6. Go to the company profile section to edit your business information. Step 7. Upload a copy of your company letter for verification purposes. Step 8. Go to the Location Manager section and select Add Locations to manage your store's address. Step 9. Fill in your store's address details, upload photos, add video links, select categories, and include other relevant details. Step 10. Go to the Campaigns Manager section and select Create Campaign to create a new promotion. Step 11. You can set the duration, upload images, add a title, details, video links, and terms and conditions for your promotion. Then, select the desired locations. Step 12. After filling in all the details, click Launch to activate the promotion.